I am the uppercase letter R, and you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see, I'm letter R for rhino. Yeah. Now, grab your pencil and go to the dot. For you to write the letter R, you need to trace the P first. You go down and back up, small cap. Good. Now you have a P. You can now trace a small line from the P's head down. Great. There you have an uppercase letter R. Let's go. Next one. Down, small head to make a P. And on the P's head, I make a straight line down. Good. Straight line down. Small head. And go back and do your R. Good job. Another one. Down. Round. Now you have a P and you can now trace your R. Great. Down. Round. Now you can trace your R. Good job. Now you know how to trace your letter R. So grab your book and trace me more letter R. Bye.